Okay, there's a Honda Pilot 2007 blower for the heater and air conditioning. It was a pain in the butt to get out. There's 3 screws, 2 that you can get to with a screwdriver, and this is the deal you have to use for it. It's one of these stupid star heads. This one I used is T25. It worked. The back one is a pain in the ass to get to. I mean, it's gonna be even harder to get back in to get started. But look how dirty that damn thing is. That was a vibrating sound. And why? Look at that. That's horrible. That's why she was vibrating. Not good. Anyways, just letting everybody know it's up there. Open that mess. Anyways, there she is. Yay. It's gonna be fun to clean out and put back in. Anyways, there's the culprit for the humming. Alright. Just wanted to put that up because I didn't see any videos for it.